Okay, so hey y'all, this is gonna be a quick makeup tutorial. So obviously I'm doing a little bit too much talking in the video, child. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But I'm basically gonna show y'all if I was going out, how I would dress if I had a date night, and the makeup and the outfit that I would wear. But first thing we're gonna start with is the primer. So I'm gonna prime my face with this Becca primer. Like you see, I'm putting it over my face or whatever. This is supposed to be like a shield from the makeup, hitting your skin. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Foundation. That's in the color 355 Coconut. Honestly, it's not my skin color, but it's going to have to work. Either way, it's the winter time, so it is what it is. It's going to blend. So as you see, I'm putting it on my brush, and I'm about to get my face together. And now I don't color correct because either way, the makeup going to come out flawless. Do the makeup to your liking. Everybody do their makeup differently. Nobody do their makeup the same. So as you see, I'm just putting it over my face, blending it out to my liking or whatever. Now I'm going to highlight under my eyes. I'm going to go in with the NYX first. It's a lighter shade in the corners. And after I'm done applying that, I'm going to put the Maybelline concealer right under that. And yeah. Y'all see what's going on. Next is on my face, everything, Now we're going to blend out. So obviously I'm looking for my brush. I'm never organized. So I start with the chin and then I work my way up. So yeah, as you see, just blend. Whole thing about this right here, when it comes to highlighting, you have to blend. Just keep blending until you get a flawless application. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I do my makeup a little bit sloppy, it's not the best, but it's to my liking. That's what I like. Just like when you do your makeup, it's what you like to do. This is what I like to do. So, over here is a judge-free zone. So don't come over here judging and shit, okay? Anywho, now I'm about to set my face with the Maybelline Satin powder. I believe that's the color medium deep. So what I do is I take a beauty sponge and I just press it into the powder and press it into my skin. I don't bake because when I bake, it just does not sit right with me. I literally have like a flashback. I don't like it. It looks cakey. It looks white. That's not my thing. So I just press it into my skin until it gives a flawless application to my liking. So that's what I do. Now I'm going to contour. I believe that is a MAC contour powder that I had for so many years, child. I need to throw it away. But anywho, I'm just contouring my face, going down my nose, going into my brows. Honestly, I just use that as a eyeshadow. So next, I'm going with the blush. As you can see, put it on my cheeks. I like to smile when I apply the blush. I don't know. And then I just blends it in, rub it against my nose. I don't know what it do, but it be giving something. Now we on to the highlighter. I love this highlighter palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And yeah, that's in the color Sun Dip, I believe. And yeah, you just see what's going on. Just highlighting my brow bone. Then I'm gonna do my cheeks. And yeah, it's about to be hitting. As you can see, definitely went from what to a baddie, period, boo. Don't play with me. Now I'm about to put on my wing liner. And honestly, this is the eyeliner that be giving me hell. But lately I'm starting to like it because it dries really matte. But at the same time, I'm still learning how to move and groove with it. But so far, so good. It got the job done, hunty. So yeah. And y'all always ask me how I get a perfect liner. Listen, just close your eyes and go up. Just keep drawing up and fill in. You'll get it. Trust me. It took me years to get it down pat. That's my signature look. That black liner. They be saying I be looking like Nicki. Y'all know I'm a barb too at that. Been rocking with Nicki for so long. She really is the reason why I wear my pink lip gloss, honestly. So yeah, as you can see right here, I'm just lining my lips up. I believe this lip liner is in the color Wild Cherry. So yeah, I don't overdraw my top, I overdraw my bottom. As you can see now, I'm putting the lip gloss on. This lip gloss is by NYX Forgot the name of it. Don't get me lying now. Now I'm putting on the lashes. Boom, bop, bop. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm getting ready to just fill in my brows. I don't do no crazy Instagram brows. I used to. I don't do it no more. For me, a little color is enough. It ain't that serious. Boom, bop, bop. Okay, now I'm just about to take my hair down, get myself together. Oh yeah, right before I do this, I was trying to put my earrings in, so I'm struggling a little bit, as you can see. I mean, do I struggle? No. Okay, anywho. Now I'm about to spray my face with the satin powder. That's from e.l.f. And yes, I'm ODing because that's what I want to do. Now I'm just combing my hair out. Yeah, I'm talking my shit. I'm probably like, don't play with her, period. Now, what I'm doing here, child? Okay, I'm just showing y'all the outfit because it was mad cute. That top is from Rainbow, skirt from Amazon. Them thigh-high boots is from Fashion Nova. Wig, local beauty supply store, it was $40. I'm just showing y'all how cute I got. See what's going on. Yeah, don't play with her. Now, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for rocking out. I had to do a voiceover due to the fact the boys' TV was extremely loud. So, love y'all. See you later.